In this video, I'll show you the best VPN to use in Nigeria, covering 2 free options and 2 paid options, so you can pick what works best for your needs. Using a VPN in Nigeria is essential for protecting your privacy, accessing region-restricted content, and keeping your online activity secure. Starting with free options, the first one is Proton VPN Free. It offers unlimited data, strong encryption, and a strict no-logs policy. This means you can browse safely without worrying about your information being tracked, and it works on multiple devices, including smartphones and computers. Proton VPN Free also provides access to servers in several countries, giving you a reliable connection for streaming, social media, and general browsing. The second free option is Windscribe. Windscribe Free gives you a decent monthly data allowance, enough for casual browsing or light streaming. It's easy to set up on any device, offers solid security features, and also allows you to choose from a range of server locations, making it a good choice for users in Nigeria who want a simple, cost-free solution. Moving on to paid options, the first one is Surfshark. Surfshark is an affordable VPN with unlimited device connections, meaning you can protect your phone, laptop, tablet, and more all at the same time. It has a user-friendly interface, fast servers, and strong encryption to ensure your online activity stays private. Surfshark also helps you bypass geo-restrictions, so you can access streaming platforms, games, or apps that might otherwise be unavailable in Nigeria. I have included a link in the description to try Surfshark VPN at a great price. The second paid option, and the best VPN for Nigeria, is NordVPN. NordVPN combines speed, reliability, and top-tier security, making it perfect for anyone who wants complete online protection. It has dedicated servers that work well in Nigeria, fast connections for streaming or gaming, and advanced security features like double VPN and threat protection. Using NordVPN ensures that your data remains private even on public Wi-Fi, and it allows you to access content from around the world without limitations. It's beginner-friendly, works across all devices, and comes with 24/7 customer support to help you if you ever run into issues. I have also included a special link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Whether you choose a free VPN like Proton VPN or Windscribe for casual use, or a paid solution like Surfshark or NordVPN for the best performance and security, using a VPN in Nigeria is a smart choice for protecting your online presence and unlocking content from around the world. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and secure your internet experience today.